Who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Who has been appointed as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C, Mohsin Naqvi. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Thailand. Who has been appointed as the new Controller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. Who has become the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Who was awarded the A.M. Turing Award 2024 for technical contribution in the field of computing? Correct answer is option D, both B and C. Who has been elected as the 11th President of Asian Development Bank, ADB? Correct answer is option A, Masato Kanda. In which year the famous industrialist Ratan Tata, who passed away recently, was awarded with Padma Vibhushan? Correct answer is option B, 2008. Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai Indians. Who has become the first ever brand ambassador of Federal Bank? Correct answer is option C, Vidya Balan. Kanha Ghati National Park of which Indian state has been included in the UNESCO's tentative heritage list? Correct answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Who has taken charge as the Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option A, Vivek Joshi. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Correct answer option A, Narendra Modi. Who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Right answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Which team won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? Correct answer is option A, India. Which state has received first prize in the category of Best State in National Water Awards 2023? Right answer is option C, Orissa. Where was the Geological Survey of India, Geoscience Museum inaugurated in December 2024? Correct answer is option A, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of RBI? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation? Correct answer is option C, Faiz Ahmad Kidwai. Which country will host World Audio-Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES, 2025? Right answer is option B, India. The President of which country was the chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indonesia. Which city was the host of the 18th Pravasi Bhartiya Divas 2025? Right answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Who was recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer is option A, Bhuvanesh Kumar. Who has become the world's youngest chess champion recently? Right answer is option B, D. Gukesh. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF? Correct answer is option C, Gyanendra Pratap Singh. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option B, 4. Who has been recently appointed as the new Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO? Correct answer, option C, V. Narayanan. Which Indian received the Whitley Gold Award 2024? Correct answer is option A. Purnima Devi Barman. Who has been appointed as the director of FBI? Correct answer is option C. Kash Patel. Which country has recently joined OPEC+? Correct answer is option C. Brazil. What was the theme of the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer option C. Sabka Vikas. Who was honored with the Paulie Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C. Jasprit Bumrah. Who has been appointed as the Chief of National Crime Records Bureau (NCRB)? Correct answer is option B. Alok Ranjan. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital? Correct answer option B. Samantha Harvey. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index released in February 2025? Correct answer is option D. 96th rank. Who has been appointed as the 51st Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C. Sanjeev Khanna. Which country will host the 17th BRICS Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option C. Brazil. Which city has been announced as the second capital of Assam? Correct answer is option B. Dibrugarh. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C. Gyanesh Kumar. Who was honored with the BCCI's Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer is option B. Sachin Tendulkar. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Correct answer is option C. Uttarakhand. Who won gold medal in the women's 75 kg boxing event at the National Games 2025? Correct answer is option A. Lovlina Borgohain. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B. Chandrika Tandon. Bart de Wever has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A. Belgium. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B. Services Sports Control Board. Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Right answer option B. Madhya Pradesh. Who has been honored with the prestigious Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C. Jasprit Bumrah. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of ASSOCHAM? Correct answer is option C. Manish Singhal. Who becomes the youngest female to climb the highest peaks in all 7 continents? Correct answer is option B. Kamya Karthikeyan. Which team won the 11th Pro Kabaddi League title held in December 2024? Correct answer is option B. Haryana Steelers. The Defence Ministry has declared 2025 as the year of. Correct answer is option A. Defence reforms. Which state won the Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title recently? Correct answer is option A. West Bengal. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025? Correct answer is option B. 85th rank. Who has been elected as the President of the Athletics Federation of India? Correct answer is option C. Bahadur Singh Sagu. Where was India's first green hydrogen hub project launched recently? Correct answer is option A. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B. Malaysia. Who was sworn in as Ghana's president for the 3rd time in January 2025? Correct answer is option B. John Mahama. Who has won the title of Indian Snooker Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Pankaj Advani. Hisashi Takuch has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which company? Correct answer is option D, Maruti Suzuki India. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Correct answer is option C, New Zealand. Which state has the highest number of vultures according to the recent census? Correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. In which country the annual meeting of World Economic Forum 2025 has been organized? Right answer option C, Davos, Switzerland. Who won the Best Actress award at the Oscars for her role in Anora? Right answer is option C, Mikey Madison. Who won the Best Actor award at the Oscars for his role in The Brutalist? Right answer is option A, Adrian Brody. Who won the gold medal in Syed Modi International Badminton Championship? Correct answer is option B, PV Sindhu. Dmitry Bakhanov has become the Director General of which country's state-run space agency? Right answer is option B, Russia. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Who won the Best Men's Hockey Player of the Year award at the Hockey India Annual Awards 2024? Right answer is option A, Harmanpreet Singh. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? Correct answer option B, 118th. Who has become the first footballer to receive the American Presidential Medal of Freedom? Correct answer option A, Lionel Messi. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman 2024 in 2025? Correct answer option C, Bhadresh Das Swamy. Who won the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for Peace and Stability? Correct answer option A, Dalai Lama. Which of the following cities will host the 2025 World Athletics Championships? Correct answer option A, Tokyo, Japan. India is set to launch the world's most powerful hydrogen-powered train on which route? Correct answer option B, Jind to Sonipat. Who received the Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism 2025 in Hindi category? Correct answer option D, Mridulika Jha. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago? Correct answer option B, Stuart Young. Who has become the Indian wicket-keeper who has scored the most runs T20 cricket? Correct answer is option A, Dinesh Karthik. Which space agency successfully launched the SpaceX mission? Correct answer is option C, ISRO. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. What was the theme of the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2025? Correct answer is option A, Diaspora's contribution to a Viksit Bharat. Who was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 for Hindi? Correct answer is option A, Gagan Gill. Which country will host the G20 summit in 2025? Correct answer option A, South Africa. Who has been elected as the new Secretary General of Interpol? Correct answer is option B, Valdeci Urquiza. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of Food Corporation of India, FCI? Correct answer is option C, Ashutosh Agnihotri. Stumped is the autobiography of? Correct answer is option D, Syed Kirmani. Where has Tamu Loza festival recently celebrated? Correct answer is option B, Nepal. Who is the present governor of Manipur? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Who has won the Women's Hockey India League 2024-25? Correct answer is option C, Odisha Warriors. Which men's kabaddi team won the gold medal at the 38th National Games? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been elected by the US President Donald Trump as the head of NASA? Correct answer is option A, Jared Isaacman. India's first Google Safety Engineering Center will be set up in? Correct answer is option B, Hyderabad. Who has been recently appointed as the Chief Minister of Delhi? Correct answer is option C, Rekha Gupta. Which country has topped the medal tally of 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Osamu Suzuki was honored with the Padma Vibhushan for contributions in which field? Correct answer is option C, Trade and Industry. Who has been named Person of the Year for 2024 by Time magazine? Correct answer is option D, Donald Trump. Who won the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year 2024 award? Correct answer is option D, Amelia Kerr. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of RBI? Correct answer is option C, Indraneel Bhattacharya. Where has the world's largest wildlife rescue center Vantara been inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Recently, which country won the Asian Women's Kabaddi Championship 2025 title? Correct answer is option C, India. Who became the first ever woman union law secretary? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Who is the Chief Economic Advisor of India? Correct answer is option B, V. Ananta Nageshwaran. Recently, Yamandu Ossi became new president of which South American country? Correct answer is option B, Uruguay. Who won the FIDE World Junior Chess Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Pranav Venkatesh. Which state has the highest number of river dolphins in India? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Which country ranked first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, Burkina Faso. Which country has withdrawn from the United Nations Human Rights Council after USA? Correct answer is option C, Israel. Who has been named ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option A, Smriti Mandhana. Who won the ICC Men's T20 International Cricketer of the Year 2024 award? Correct answer is option C, Arshdeep Singh. Michael Martin has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country in 2025? Right answer is option B, Ireland. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court? Correct answer is option C, Justice Alok Aradhe. Which former Chief Justice of India received the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jagdish Singh Kehar. Who has been awarded the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option A, Novak Djokovic. Which country will host the FIFA World Cup 2034? Correct answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of National Commission for Women, NCW? Correct answer is option A, Vijay Rahatkar. Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Nepal. Which country's metro network has become third largest metro network in the world? Correct answer is option B, India. Which country has announced the withdrawal from the World Health Organization, following the United States? Correct answer is option B, Argentina. Which country was the host of Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, France. Where will the first Olympic A-Sports Games be held in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Where was India's first open-air art wall museum inaugurated recently? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Which organization has recently launched the One Man Office initiative? Correct answer is option C, LIC. Where was the 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Harbin, China. Vimolu festival was recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option B, Assam. How many new sites have been added to Ramsar sites in India recently? Correct answer is option B, 4. Who won the title of 73rd Miss Universe 2024? Correct answer is option B, Victoria Arthevig. Who has been honored with the 34th Vyas Samman? Right answer, option B, Surya Bala. Hatao Miyazaki of which country was honored with the prestigious Ramon Magsaysay Award 2024? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who has won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Literature? Correct answer is option C, Ha Kang. Who has topped the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 medal tally? Correct answer is option B, Indian Army. The joint military exercise, Harimu Shakti, is conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Time magazine's Women of the Year 2025 list? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Barman. Which country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is option A, Glasgow, Scotland. Which team recently won the Ranji Trophy title by defeating Kerala? Correct answer is option B, Vidarbha. Which state will have the Makhana Board established under Budget 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been recently appointed as the second principal secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikanta Das. What was the theme for Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option B, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas. Z-More Tunnel, which was seen in the news, is located in which state? UT. Correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Zoran Milanovic has been elected as president of which country in January 2025? Correct answer, option A, Croatia. Which state has launched Advanced Disaster Risk Warning System Kavacham? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which state, UT's virgin coconut oil has been granted GI tag recently? Correct answer is option C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Who is the author of the book, The World After Gaza? Correct answer is option A, Pankaj Mishra. D. Nageshwar Reddy was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option C, medicine. Who won the men's and women's singles titles at the Senior National Table Tennis Championships 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manush Shah and Dia Chitle. Alexander Lukashenko has won the presidential election of which country? Correct answer is option A, Belarus. Nagoba Jatara festival is recently celebrated in which state? Right answer, option C, Telangana. What is India's rank in Global Hunger Index 2024? Correct answer is option A, 105th. Who has been reappointed as the managing director of the IMF? Correct answer is option C, Kristalina Georgieva. Friedrich Merz has become the Chancellor of which country? Correct answer is option B, Germany. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Correct answer, option C, Liu Jiakun. Who was sworn in as Mexico's first female president in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Claudia Sheinbaum. What is the new name for Port Blair? Correct answer is option C, Sri Vijayapuram. Which of the following has recently got the status of Navratna? Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Who has become the chairman of the Bar Council of India? Correct answer is option B, Manan Kumar Mishra. Who won the Best Director award for his film Anora at the 2025 Academy Awards? Correct answer is option B, Sean Baker. Who was sworn in as the Federal Chancellor of Austria in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Christian Stocker. Who has become the new president of BCCI? Correct answer is option A, Roger Binney. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of IRFC, Indian Railway Finance Corporation? Correct answer is option A, Manoj Kumar Dubey. Who won the Best Picture award at the International Indian Film Academy 2025? Correct answer is option C, Lapata Ladies. How much money has been allocated to the Indian Railways in the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, 2.52 lakh crore. Who has won both men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. The Indian Astronomical Union has officially recognized how many new satellites of Saturn? Correct answer is option B, 128. Who has been awarded the Holberg Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. Who won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, The Brutalist. Who has been appointed as the Secretary of BCCI? Right answer is option B, Devajit Sekhya. Which ministry has received the highest budget allocation in 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Defense. How many tiger reserves are there in India as of March 2025? Correct answer is option C, 58. Jotham Napat has been elected as Prime Minister of which country in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vanuatu. Pad and Chal beaches of which Indian state have received the prestigious Blue Flag certification? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Who has won the 2024-25 Vijay Hazare Trophy? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which state is home to India's first private semiconductor manufacturing facility? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which Indian cities were recently included in the list of wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Correct answer is option C, Indore and Udaipur. Who won the women's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Madison Keys. Who won the men's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Kokborok language is recognized as one of the official languages of which state? Correct answer is option D, Tripura. Exercise Devil Strike has been conducted by which country recently? Correct answer is option A, India. Which country has become the newest non-regional member of the Asian Development Bank? Correct answer is option C, Israel. Who won the Best Actress award at IIFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C, Nitanshi Goyal. Who has been named the recipient of the 59th Jnanpith Award in 2025 for his outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, BCAS? Right answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of Tata Communications in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, N. Ganpati Subramaniam. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Correct answer is option A, Gunri Inland Mangroves. Which country will host the FIDE World Chess Cup Championship 2025? Correct answer option D, India. Which country has emerged as the world's largest importer of arms according to the latest CIPRI report 2020-24? Correct answer is option C, Ukraine. Who has recently been appointed as the Controller General of Defense Accounts? Correct answer is option A, Mayank Sharma. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Which Indian state has topped in the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, Orissa. What is India's rank in the Network Readiness Index 2024? Correct answer is option A, 49th rank. Who has won the Best Actor award at the International Indian Film Academy Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C, Karthik Aaryan. Who has been awarded the Digital Transformation Award 2025 in March 2025? Right answer option A, RBI. Who has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 by the United Kingdom government? Right answer is option B, Chiranjeevi. Teredo becomes the 43rd UNESCO World Heritage Site in India, is located in which state? Correct answer option B, Assam. Which country has become the 119th member of the International Solar Alliance? Correct answer option B, Malta. Who has won the Allan Border Medal 2025 at Australian Cricket Awards? Correct answer is option B, Travis Head. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Correct answer option A, Gunri Inland Mangrove. Who topped the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Haryana. Which country has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Correct answer is option C, India. Who has been appointed as Lebanon's new Prime Minister? Correct answer is option A, Nawaf Salam. Makaravilakku festival is recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Who has been honored with the Lifetime Achievement category of UNEP Champions of Earth Award? Correct answer is option B, Madhav Gargil. Who has been awarded the 2024 Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace? Correct answer is option A, Michelle Bachelet. Which of the following countries will host FIFA World Cup in 2026? Right answer option B, USA, Canada and Mexico. L. Subramaniam was honored with the Padma Vibhushan 2025 for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option B, art. Which national park recently emerged as India's second butterfly diversity hub? Correct answer option A, Kaziranga National Park. Which country has become the first country to lose all its glaciers, according to the International Cryosphere Climate Initiative? Correct answer option C, Venezuela. Which country becomes the first in the world to eliminate leprosy? Right answer is option B, Jordan. Bhuteshwar Forest of which state was declared as the Biodiversity Heritage Site in 2024? Correct answer option B, Orissa. Luom Kong has been appointed as the president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Vietnam. Who was honored with Bhutan's highest civilian award, Order of the Druk Gyalpo, in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Narendra Modi. India's first biopolymer manufacturing plant will be set up in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Lakhimpur Kheri. Tashego Gailai has become the first black woman to be crowned Mrs. World in 2025. She belongs to which country? Right answer is option C, South Africa. Where will India and US set up the first multi-material chip fabrication plant? Correct answer is option B, Jewar, Uttar Pradesh. Kristian Frostadottir becomes the youngest prime minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Iceland. What will be the fiscal deficit for financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, 4.4% of GDP. Christine Kala Kandalu, who was awarded the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award 2025, is the president of which country? Correct answer is option A, Trinidad and Tobago. Who won the Tata Steel Masters 2025 title at Netherlands? Correct answer is option B, R. Praganananda. Nandi Ndaitwah has been sworn in as the first female president of which country? Correct answer is option C, Namibia. Who has been awarded the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, R. K. Sriram Kumar. The joint military exercise of Khanjar was conducted between India with which country? Correct answer is option B, Kyrgyzstan. Who won Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for his pioneering research on flood risks? Correct answer is option B, Gunter Bloch. Justice Harish Tandon has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of which state's High Court? Correct answer is option B, Orissa High Court. Astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore have returned to Earth from the International Space Station after how many days? Right answer is option D, 286 days. Who has been honored with the prestigious Pen Pinter Prize 2024 for her unflinching and unswerving writings? Correct answer is option B, Arundhati Roy. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Right answer is option B, 7. Where was the 16th session of UNCCD Conference of Parties COP16 held recently? Right answer is option A, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Who among the following has won the recently held Davis Cup 2024 title? Correct answer is option C, Italy. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of State Bank of India in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Chala Srinivasulu Setty. Who has been recently appointed as the new managing director of SBI? Correct answer is option B, Rama Mohan Rao Amara. Which city has become home to India's first night safari? Correct answer option B, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Which has become the fifth most polluted country in the world according to the World Air Quality Report 2024? Correct answer option D, India. Which team won the Men's Hockey India League 2024-25? Right answer is option B, Shrachi Rahar Bengal Tigers. Who has won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Physiology or Medicine? Correct answer is option C, Victor Ambrose and Gary Ruvkun. As per the Economic Survey, what is the estimated economic growth rate in 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, 6.3% to 6.8%. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of the Industrial Finance Corporation of India? Correct answer is option C, Rahul Bhave. Which Indian state has imposed a fee of ₹50 per person on tourists visiting the state? Right answer is option C, Sikkim. Where will India's first public-private partnership green waste processing plant be established? Correct answer option A, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Correct answer is option B, Satish Kumar. Who has been appointed as the chairman of UPSC? Correct answer is option C, Preeti Sudan. Who won the title of 2024 FIDE Women's World Rapid Championship? Correct answer is option A, Koneru Hampi. Which airport has been named as Jagadguru Sant Tukaram Maharaj Airport in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Pune Airport. Where was India's first Constitution Park established? Correct answer is option A, Pune, Maharashtra. India's first digital museum, Abhay Prabhavna, has been set up in which state? Right answer is option A, Maharashtra. Renowned tabla maestro Ustad Zakir Hussain passed away in December 2024. In which year was Zakir Hussain awarded Padma Vibhushan? Right answer is option D, in 2023. Who is the author of the book The Winner's Mindset? Right answer is option C, Shane Watson. Which of the following has become India's most valuable brand, according to the Brand Finance Global 2025 report? Right answer is option A, Tata Group. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 4th. The book, Witness, is the autobiography of which Indian player? Share your answer in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos.